If you're someone that loves bread and store-bought isn't cutting it, then maybe time to start making your own. Not only will you have control of your ingredients, but you'll get to feel a sense of accomplishment. And if you tried to make bread by hand, you know how hard it can be, which is why a bread maker machine is the perfect solution. But with so many out there, it can be tricky to find the right one. So, in this video, we will be going over the 6 best bread maker machines, each with its own standout features and benefits, to help you make an informed choice. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Elite Gourmet EBM 8103M Programmable Bread Maker Machine. It's a versatile appliance designed to simplify the bread-making process for both novice and experienced bakers. This bread maker offers convenient programmable settings, allowing users to choose from a variety of functions to create different types of bread, including basic, sweet, French, whole wheat, and more. With a 2-pound loaf capacity, this bread maker is suitable for households of all sizes. Whether you're baking for yourself or the whole family, it can accommodate your needs. It offers adjustable settings to their preferences, including selecting the crust color and choosing from 3 loaf sizes, ensuring that each loaf meets their desired specifications. The Elite Gourmet bread maker features a simple interface and intuitive controls and is very user-friendly. Even beginners can effortlessly create delicious homemade bread with minimal effort. In addition to bread, this machine can also be used to make dough for pizza, pasta, and other baked goods, expanding its utility in the kitchen. Its compact size makes it ideal for kitchens with limited counter space. Despite its small footprint, it delivers big on performance, making it a valuable addition to any home bakery setup. However, while the machine is designed to be user-friendly, beginners might need some time to understand the control panel and the various baking functions. Apart from this learning curve, the Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker Machine is the most budget-friendly bread maker machine on our list, as it helps users enjoy freshly baked bread tailored to their preferences right in the comfort of their own homes. Number 5 on our list is the Neretva Bread Maker Machine. This kitchen appliance is designed to simplify the bread-making process. With 15 pre-programmed settings, including options for basic bread, whole wheat, gluten-free, and even dough for pizza or pasta, this bread maker offers versatility to cater to various preferences and dietary needs. It features a generous 3.3-pound loaf capacity. This bread maker is suitable for larger families or gatherings. It offers 3 different loaf sizes to accommodate varying needs, ensuring you have the perfect amount of bread every time. The Neretva bread maker features a user-friendly interface with intuitive controls, making it accessible for beginners and experienced bakers alike. Its automatic operation allows you to simply add ingredients, select your desired settings, and let the machine do the rest. Users can adjust settings such as crust darkness and loaf size to suit their preferences. Whether you prefer a light or dark crust, this bread maker enables you to tailor each loaf to your liking. Not only this, after baking, the machine automatically switches to a keep warm function for up to 1 hour, ensuring your bread stays fresh and warm until you're ready to enjoy it. The Neretva Bread Maker Machine is a well-regarded appliance with many positive features. However, it's a large capacity machine, which might not be suitable for those with limited kitchen space. Plus, according to some users, if the machine is overfilled, the bread may not rise properly. Overall, the Neretva Bread Maker Machine is the largest capacity machine on our list that combines convenience, functionality, and versatility, allowing you to effortlessly create delicious homemade bread to suit your taste preferences and dietary requirements. Number 4 is the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. It's a top-of-the-line appliance that simplifies the process of baking delicious bread at home. This bread maker is equipped with advanced heating elements and dual kneading blades, bread, and ensures thorough and even baking, resulting in perfectly shaped loaves every time. It has a sleek stainless steel exterior that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to select your desired settings and monitor the baking process. With a generous 2-pound loaf capacity, it's suitable for families and bread enthusiasts who love to bake in bulk. Whether you prefer traditional white bread or specialty loaves, this bread maker can handle it all. The Virtuoso Plus offers a variety of settings to cater to different preferences, including gluten-free, whole wheat, and even a customizable setting for creating your recipes. It also features a convenient timer function for delayed baking. Due to its user-friendly design and detailed instruction manual, even beginners can confidently use this bread maker. So, whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting, you'll appreciate the simplicity and convenience it offers. However, the machine is designed to bake a traditional shaped 2-pound loaf. This might not be ideal for those who want to make smaller or larger loaves. Plus, this bread maker is pricier than many other bread machines available in the market. Overall, these potential drawbacks do not necessarily detract from the overall quality and performance of the bread maker, which has received many positive reviews for its versatility and the quality of bread it produces. And if you want to know the latest prices of the bread maker machines discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 on our list is the Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker, an innovative appliance designed to simplify the process of baking homemade bread. True to its name, this bread maker offers a wide range of customization options. With 13 automatic settings, including gluten-free, crusty loaf, and sweet bread, users can easily tailor their loaves to suit their preferences. Its modern brushed stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. Compact yet sturdy, it's built to withstand regular use. This bread maker machine is equipped with smart features like an automatic fruit and nut dispenser and adjustable settings for loaf size and crust color, and ensures consistent results every time. With the ability to bake loaves up to 2.5 pounds in size, it's suitable for both small and large households. Whether you're baking for yourself or feeding a crowd, this bread maker has you covered. Despite its advanced features, the Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker is user-friendly thanks to its intuitive interface and clear LCD screen. Novice bakers can achieve professional quality results with minimal effort. However, its collapsible kneading paddles can be problematic due to the consistency of the kneading paddle. Plus, it's larger than average for this group and weighs a hefty 16.9 pounds, but it's not the end of the world. It still excels and provides seamless bread. Overall, the Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker is best for serious home bakers as it empowers users to create delicious homemade bread easily. Plus, the number of recipes that come included with this machine, on top of the versatility and ease of use, makes it one of the frontrunners in the world of bread making at a consumer level. Number 2 is the Cuisinart Bread Maker machine. It's one of the most popular and compact appliances that brings the convenience of homemade bread to your kitchen. This bread maker simplifies the bread making process with its automatic operation. Just add the ingredients, select the desired settings, and let the machine do the rest. Its compact size makes it ideal for kitchens with limited space. Its small footprint offers all the functionality needed to bake a variety of bread types. With over 100 bread, dough, cake, and jam combinations, this bread maker allows you to experiment with various recipes and customize your creations to suit your taste preferences. The intuitive controls and easy-to-read display make it simple to navigate through the settings and monitor the baking process. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, you'll find this machine easy to use. This bread maker delivers consistent results, ensuring that you can enjoy freshly baked bread whenever you desire. However, the machine can get noisy during the mixing and kneading process, which some users might find annoying. The LED screen is not backlit and is very small, making it hard for people with poor eyesight to read. Overall, the Cuisinart Bread Maker machine is best for those with smaller kitchens, discerning home bakers shopping on a budget, and anyone who might appreciate the option to make bread in less than 2 hours. Number 1 is the KBS Large 17-in-1 Bread Machine. It's an innovative and versatile appliance designed to simplify the bread-making process while offering a wide range of options for culinary creativity. With 17 practical programs including French, jam, yogurt, cake, and more, this bread machine offers versatility beyond just baking bread. It enables users to explore various recipes and culinary creations. This bread machine is built to last and offers a sleek and modern aesthetic that complements any kitchen decor. The KBS bread machine can produce up to a 2-pound loaf, making it suitable for larger families or gatherings. Its ample capacity ensures there's plenty of freshly baked bread to go around. This bread machine is equipped with an auto fruit and nut dispenser and adds ingredients at the right time during the kneading process, ensuring even distribution and enhancing flavor. Additionally, it boasts a digital touch panel for easy operation. Plus, the ceramic pan and non-stick coating make cleaning a breeze. ensuring that maintenance is hassle-free. While this bread machine is generally more affordable, it might not offer as many features as some of the more expensive brands on our list. Overall, the KBS Large 17-in-1 bread machine combines functionality, convenience, and durability, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen for both novice and experienced bakers. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect bread maker machine much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.